Good morning, dear colleagues and teacher. My name is Jose Luis Blanco Pinzon. My grab number is 90002 uh, 212. I am 32 years old and I live in the city of Bucaramanga. Sometimes I travel to other cities to work. Uh, I am studying industrial engineer at University UNAD, and I am in the third semester, and I want to finish studying to be a professional. I like to play soccer. I like to go to the movies. Uh, I don't like tamarind juice. I don't like to smoke. I am a hardworking person and I am a strong person and I am also a father. Some time ago, I traveled to the city of Bogota. There, I always wore a jacket because it was very cool. The first thing I did was visit my relatives to give them a big home. Then I was visiting companies to review their operations. Finally, I went to visit the Montserrat Hill and I was very happy because it was the first time I had met it. We'll never forget this beautiful moment. Thank you all very much. We'll be attentive to your comments.